Hello guys, good afternoon. This is my house and lot for sale. Lot area is 300 square meter and floor area of this house is 68 square meter. The floor area is 7.3 by 8.5 and additional terrace area is equals of 68 square meter. This is the house. This is in the front of the highway. So this is the front view. This is the farm land, rice field. This is the rice field, and this is the house and the lot. This is beside of the grocery store. So this is the highway going to public market. You can see this is the road. So and this is the house. This is the area. So rice field in the front of this area. So this is the house. This is house is a clean title. See. So this is the property. They have a vacant area here. You can put a fence, and the other side you can put also the fence. So this is the terrace area. This is the living area. Living area. Okay. And this is the kitchen and dining area. These doors going to bedrooms. This is the bedroom 1. This is already tiles. And bedroom 2. So this is the bedroom 2. This space. This bedroom is big also. So you can put a cabinet there. This area you can put a cabinet. And this is the bathroom. You can see this is the bathroom. Okay, bathroom, dining and kitchen, and living area. So there is a space here. You can put parking of this area. You have own car, you can put parking of this area. So this is the side. This is the side. And there is space for the of this in the back. There is a space here, almost 3 meter. This is the space. So already spandrel, and this is the window. So this property is for sale. Again guys, this is in the front of highway and rice field, and this is the total house 68 square meter and lot area is 300 square meter. Value cost of 1.2 million pesos. This is property, house and lot for sale, amount of 1.2 million pesos.